guys, welcome back to my channel. आज ਆਪਾਂ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ the new cue card of 2023 ਦਾ ਹੈਗਾ ਇਹ cue card ਹੈਗਾ describe a place you visited where the air was polluted. Okay, so this is the latest cue card of 2023 from Jan to like April ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜੋ ਆਊਗਾ. Okay, my name is Gurbhej Jassar and I'm a speaking tutor. So let's start today's video. Cue card हैगा अपना describe a place you visited where the air was polluted. Okay, intro ले लो की हैगी है. Intro में किसी ये same ही intro करना होगा. It's very good for you. तो इनकी भी थोड़ी high cap आई हुई हैगी है. Okay, intro हैगी है. Needless to say that pollution considered to be prevailing concern of air ubiquitous everywhere, which opens Pandora box for an individual's life. Okay, so this is the intro questions. This is simple intro करनी है ये, वो भी कर सकते हैं. It doesn't matter. The main thing is अपना idea and content सही होना चाहिए है. So here's the story. You can say that 6 months ago I got an opportunity to visit my uncle's house, which is in Ludhiana. Okay, Ludhiana is known as the cyber city. Okay, ये भी कैसा होते हैं as we were 5 members over there and traveled by train. किसी ट्रेन से गए सीगे, बस से गए सीगे, according to you. Okay, reached uncle house at dusk time. That means evening time के थे पहुंच गए सीगे. During journey to house, there's too much traffic. जो सी journey के दौरान सी कि देखा सीगा बहुत ज़्यादा traffic सीगा. Okay, लुधियाना cyber city है ये कैसा देखेंगे evening time सीगा तो सी rooftop पे गए सीगे. When I visited house at any time and I tried to reach on the rooftop, I saw nothing because of the smoke. बहुत ज़्यादा धुआं सीगे इस करके मैंने कुछ भी नहीं दिखा सीगा. I got an information from the cousin about Ludhiana. कि लुधियाना तो की information मिली सीगी भी हो industrial area है. Okay, a lot of industries है and transportation है. Okay, and also got an extra information from the internet. कि वो लिविज क्यों WHO revealed कि तो सीगा the air quality in Ludhiana is very poor. Okay, भी बहुत ज़्यादा quality हैगी है, बहुत माड़ी हैगी है. Okay, even so many people like to wear mask. Okay, भी बहुत से लोग हैगे जो उससे mask पहनते हैगे. तो नहीं end की करेंगे. To making a long story short, that was the place which I visited and I saw a lot of air pollution. Okay, this is the all story about the air pollution and the city. Okay, if you कोई भी इस विचों कोई difficult लगता होवे तो you can comment me on the comment section. And जिस कोई भी reading दी problem आती हैगी है तो मैं जो channel हैगा वो description विच mention किते होएगा. You can check it out and देख सकते हैगे हम reading के में बस solve कर सकते हैं easy way ना. One more thing, writing that writing which you may same channel mention kita hoya hai, so you can check it out the channel and you can sort out all your problems regarding task 1 and task 2. Even jo channel hai on which wo high cap aayi hai, you can easily get 6.5 bands in writing. Okay, so this is the all about the cue card. And if you video changi lagi, please subscribe my channel and like this video. Have a wonderful day.